Still here at BGC, Mega World Uptown Mall. O, ito naman ang ating destination. Yo! O, tawid lang tayo dito. Nakita natin, actually bago pa lang to eh. I think it's just last year or the other year. The last time I came here was back in 2018. So wala pa to. Wow, ngayon parang giganting mall. Mega World Uptown Mall. Another amazing place dito sa Global City. Wow, ganda. Feel ko para akong nasa ibang bansa. Pero actually, dito lang to sa Manila, Makati. Wow. It's very hard to express how I feel. Kasi lahat ng nakikita ko dito, magaganda. And ang mga tao talagang, hindi mo sasabihin, naghihirap ang Pilipino eh. Mga tao, pasyalan ng pasyalan, daming pera, gastos ng gastos. Eh, nakaka-enjoy naman talaga dito eh, no? Yung mga fountain dito, wow. Look at the right. It's the fountain. It changes its color from time to time. And I know it has more fountain. As you can see, there's a lot of hose or pipe on each side. And for sure, there's a kind of dancing light. Later on, we'll find out. Ito, another mga kainan. Left and right.